Sometimes when we look at a particular piece of work, we just see the final piece and we don't often think about the component parts that go into it. It's not something distant, but something intimate. I'm Khee and I'm a performance maker, director, facilitator, dramaturg, a lot of random things.
Hi, I'm Bernice. I'm an artist and a dance practitioner, and basically I'm involved in creative processes, a lot through movement and also the traces that the movement leaves behind.
I would say at the heart of my practice is really a desire to create temporary spaces where people are able to be in conversation with each other. And together with Bernice, we've been in this practice called Tactility Studies since 2019.
In Tactility Studies, we're really interested in how performances take place on and through the body. It's an invitation for people to be soft, to wobble, to stretch, and to uncoil. For example, one of the works, I Love You by Aramayani, there are these cushions that children are invited to take out and cuddle with and play with a little bit, then put back. And we were interested in these elements in the Biennale, where you're truly invited to be like in physical contact and like really in an artwork. With this residency, we felt like we wanted to grab the chance to let it get even messier, let it spread out and sprawl out outside the body of that space.
And I think with Tactility Studies, we're always very interested in unpackings and what are the different textures of the weavings, but also the labor that is often quite intangible that goes into maintaining the artwork, not just creating the artwork itself. We were also drawing reference to the Children's Biennale themes, right, of like collaboration and respect, and therefore thinking about if we're able to frame the artworks as also bodies in their own right, how would you hold that artwork if you were thinking of it as your friend as opposed to a thing?
I suppose one of the incredible things about the residency is the opportunity to be in this space, to sprawl out through the space, right? To really situate and experience the high ceilings, low ceilings, the different kinds of nooks and crannies, and relating those to the artworks that are also playing with the spaces.